Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction updates of my four clients here in Madonna Residences while I discuss naman yung three model houses, namely Abigail, Julieta, and Malcon. So Abigail and Julieta have the same layout, may open concept layout tayo, which the clients love. So wala tayong partition in between the living area and the dining area. So pagpasok mo, maaliwalas talaga yung loob ng bahay. And then, pagdating naman sa ating mga rooms, mas maluluwag yung ating mga rooms kay Abigail and Julieta. Plus, meron tayong his and hers na built-in closet for Abigail and Julieta. Okay? So, si Melcon naman, ang difference niya is different talaga yung layout niya. So, pagpasok mo, parang may harang kasi yung sa stairs, so feeling mo box top. Pero actually, ibang clients naman, gusto nila yon kasi parang may privacy per area ng bahay. And maganda daw yung partition ng areas ng bahay sa Melcon. Tapos, mas malaki yung kitchen natin kay Melcon and also yung master's bathroom natin kay Melcon. Mas malaki. Plus, meron tayong service gate or access gate from garage going to the service area. So, yun naman yung kay Melcon Advantage. So if interested, message us so we can assist you better. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for updates and promos. Have a nice day!